sisters, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. And for today's video, I will be sharing with you all 10 amazing low maintenance tips for the glow up. And all the tips that I will be sharing in today's video are not only low maintenance, but these tips actually works. And I have included the hair care, skincare, and other maintenance. So let's get started. Starting with the hair growth oil, I've used only two ingredients to make this oil. The first one is a coconut oil and the second is a castor oil. In a bowl, add both the oils and heat it for 2 minutes. You can also apply it without heating the oil. Now, there's no exact calculation, but ensure that the quantity of the coconut oil has to be more than castor oil. For example, if you're taking 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, then 1 tablespoon of castor oil will do. And this is the best hair growth oil that you can make it at home. For the second tip, I will be sharing with you all how to make a DIY hair mask for the shining hair. So for this hair mask, you need banana, coconut oil and yogurt. This is one of the best hair mask that I have come across. This hair mask provides long lasting shine and hydration, and it also helps for the hair growth. And not only that, it also helps to reduce the dandruff as we are adding yogurt in this mask. So keep this for 15 minutes and rinse it off with mild shampoo and use this once in a week. For the tip number 3, I have the tan removal, and particularly this is the body tan removal. Whenever it comes to the sun tan, I always go with the lemon. This works like a magical product as it has citric acid which helps lighten the tan, and this is only for body tanning. I wouldn't recommend this for the skin as this can be harsh. So rub this for 3 to 4 minutes and rinse off with water. You can see the result instantly. For my tip number 4, I have the glowing face pack. Something which can never go old is to use rice for the skincare routine, which can be in any form. It always beneficial and it's no more a secret ingredient to achieve the glowing skin and the brightening skin. To make this face pack, you need rice flour, honey, pinch of turmeric and yogurt. Depending on the texture, you can also add little bit of milk to make it as a smooth paste. Now apply this for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse off with water. For my tip number 5, I have the home workout. You heard it right. Exercise can make you feel happier, it improves your mood and decrease the feelings of depression, anxiety and stress. So that 10 to 15 minutes for yourself in a day and do a home workout. Not necessary you have to go to the gym while you can do it at home. I'm not so good at it, but I do the stretching and the meditation which is helping me, and I wanted to include this tip because this is one of the important tip and this is the key to get the glow. Because not only external, you also need to take good care of your internal, so I wanted to include that. Now moving on to the next tip is DIY eye patches for the dark circles. I have used coffee, honey, coconut oil to make a smooth mixture. This is one of the best home remedy for the dark circles and you will be able to see the results instantly. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on the eye patches, then you must try this remedy which doesn't pinch your pocket as well, and keep this for 15 minutes and then rinse off with water. For the tip number 7, I have the DIY body scrub, and this body scrub was recommended by Priyanka Chopra. To make this body scrub, you need gram flour, which is also known as besan, turmeric, yogurt, sandalwood powder, and depending on the texture, you can also add milk. Apply this for 10 minutes, post 10 minutes, start scrubbing, and this helps to brighten the skin. You can apply this once in a week, you will be able to see the results in 3 weeks. For the tip number 8, I have the acne scar treatment. You all know how stubborn our acne scar. No matter how many products we try, it never fades away. I've got the best solution which doesn't even pinch your pocket. All you need is a banana peel. Rub this for a minute or two and leave it for 10 minutes. Now this treatment takes time. You need to be consistent and this will show you the result in less than 4 weeks. For the next step, for the tip number 9, I have the SPF. We all know how important it is to apply the SPF cream on regular basis. Not only it protects the skin against the harmful rays, but also it helps to reduce the sign of aging. Including SPF in your daily routine is a must, and this was a gentle reminder. And for the last step of the video is to keep yourself hydrated, and this is the gentle reminder. On that note, we have come to end of this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you all, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.